doesn't look creepy at all, does he? Hello and welcome to vlog number 4 and Monday, and today I am editing vlog number 3. So is that a bit weird talking about vlogging in a vlog? Anyway, this week I'm not really sure what's going on. I haven't had time to sit down and plan what I'm doing this week yet. So it's probably going to be a bit ad hoc, but I'm trying to remember to do a little bit of videoing every single day. That's my promise to you from me. And make it a little bit more lively than last week, because it's been very staid on my vlog recently. I'm saying recently, I've only done 3 vlogs, but anyway. And hopefully make it a little bit more exciting. Maybe I'll speak a little bit of Dutch for you. That might be exciting if it's a bit of a boring week. So here's to vlog number 4 and a great new week. So great having you here again, and I look forward to hearing from you. So yeah, this is what dedication to walking looks like. So when I answered last week about keeping motivation when it's wet, this is not the bit you remember. So I'm just going to strip off and go and get some dry clothes on, I think. Soggy socks and soaked up to my knees. As promised, I'm doing a bit more video this week. And I'm just looking at my desk and I'm thinking, you know what? I think I need to do a bit of tidying. I got a new NUC, N-U-C, NUC, my posh, mini computer. And so I have loads of computers set up at the moment. So I will just turn the camera around and I will show you what it looks like currently. This is currently what chaos looks like. Oh no, I mean my desk. I spent a short amount of time just a minute ago trying to work out which computer I was actually using, which mouse I was using, and which keyboard. So I think that's a sign that I need to do something. And even the cats seem to be making more mess than anything else. Hey, Dubs. Hey. Hey. Not that they particularly care. One thing I've been enjoying this week is catching up with areas that I've not been to for a while, checking out new developments and catching the sunshine while we had it. It's been a very, very rainy week this week, but we've still had some beautiful skies, and I've seen some new buildings in the city, and also some favourites that have gone as well. As many of you know, I'm learning quite a few new things this year. So I'm learning Dutch, and I'm also learning to play the ukulele, which I'm teaching myself. And I just wanted to include a little bit of that in my vlog, just to kind of show you that there's no shame in being a beginner again. You know, messing up, doing it wrong, and starting from scratch again. It's actually really fun, and it's a good way to indulge in your curiosity as well as learning a new skill, which is something that I personally love doing. I love learning new things. So here's a bit of me learning my ukulele for you to enjoy. And of course this week saw its fair share of rain, just like any month in the UK. So this week I thought I'd take you on a bit of a rainy wander around the city to experience the sights and the sounds that make Manchester what it is in a rainy day. obviously a lot rainier than I thought it was. And guess who doesn't have their waterproof trousers on? It's really bizarre actually. I've got glasses on and a hood and I still have water dripping off my eyelids. So it is currently raining yet again, which is fantastic. It's good for the garden, and it's still fine to walk in, but you do get very wet. And we have a weekend of walking planned, so that could be exciting. So it's Friday, and I kind of forgot to do filming again, but you know, that's fine. I've been doing sort of reflection style vlogs, if you may call it that. So, you know, you're still getting something. Whoa! And today I've been doing my usual cleaning, which has meant sorting out loads of stuff and avoiding tidying my desk. And this weekend I think we're going to be seeing my sister on Saturday. She's going to be in Manchester, and then on Sunday we have an exciting trip planned with Northern Rail. We're heading up to, I can't remember, Clitheroe station anyway, to get this new free bus up to Bowland Forest, an area of natural beauty. So we're going up there, and I think it's going to be lashing it down. So we've got a 7-mile circular planned, and we're going to take lots of dry clothes. And I believe there are a couple of pubs around there, so we may be frequenting those for a brew or two. Otherwise, this week's been pretty normal. What have I done? Managed to do walking every single day, despite the weather. We've managed to get some dry mornings. And as I say, I forgot to film. Sorry. But I'm sure I've got enough material here and there to pad it out a little bit. And I've taken a short break today to practice my ukulele. I promised you a bit of Dutch. So, ich bin een banaan. I'm a banana. Unfortunately, I had some really bad news this week that one of my best friends actually died, so I wasn't really in the mood for doing much filming on Saturday and decided to fully invest my time and energy into having a really good time with my sister, so that's what I did. But on Sunday, we went to the Forest of Bowland with Northern Rail, and we were using their Bowland Explorer bus, and we were expecting history again, and we were expecting abysmal weather because it's been so rainy this week, and we were treated to glorious sunshine. I reckon my friend must have been looking down from somewhere to give us a treat. But we ended up with beautiful weather. We were in t-shirts and the skies were blue. The rain only started when we got onto the bus. No, actually, yeah, on the bus on the way back to the station, and then it absolutely lashed it on the train, and the sun came out when we got back to Manchester, so it all worked out really well in the end. list for release, here is the first of the introductions to my cats. For joining me on my and finally, thank you once again for joining me on my weekly vlog. And if you've made it this far, well done. You may not see me actually in the video, but thank you so much. Remember to leave any comments of any questions I've asked. Let me know what you enjoyed, what you'd like to see, any questions you have about the cats, and remember to give me a like, give me a subscribe, and share it with your friends, for those who you think will enjoy it, who like crazy cat ladies who go out and about and have too many computers. So I look forward to seeing you again next week. Have a good one, and thanks again for watching.